Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, everybody. Been a little while since I made a video, so thought I would make one kind of going over some of the stocks that we follow on the channel, because I'm actually about to go on vacation for several weeks, so we'll be away from my computer. Still making trades and everything, but probably no videos. However, I'll still probably posting stock twits on any type of updates or anything I think that could be useful. So as you look here, it looks like we're starting the week off a little down. Well, not actually the week, we had a half day on Monday, but Wednesday looks like we're starting a little red. That can easily change, of course, and but have been having a pretty nice run since the start of the year, just overall in general in the market. So we're going to take a look at the S&P 500. We're going to take a look at Amazon, take a look at Tesla, take a look at ZNOG, IQST, and we'll kind of go from there and let you know what I'm thinking as far as what the price action might do for each of those. All right, guys, so looking at the S&P 500. So we did hit 44.58.48 and then came down, and then it looks like we hit it again. I think that if we go any higher, I think we're due for a pullback for sure at some point. It doesn't have to be a dramatic one, but I do think that we're due for some type of pullback. So keep in mind where support is at 42.30.29. Okay, 42.30.29, and then your red, the trade line is 42.10. So I think that 4,200 probably would be a realistic pullback, and then kind of starting to recover and make its way back up from there. As you see here, we're very overextended at one point, came down, found support here, now we're overextended again. So I kind of feel like we should pull back at some point, regardless of how significant it might be. I still think we're due for some type of pullback. All right, next up, guys, is going to be Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. So we hit a high of 131.85, and the support here is going to be 119.95, so about 120. And same thing here. I think that we're due for a pullback. I think that we see maybe 125 and then find some support, move on our way back up. At least that's what I'm hoping for. I'm looking to buy somewhere in the 125 to 120 range for my longer term portfolio. But 120 is your first level, key level of support right here on Amazon, then 112, 106, 100, 92, and then 81. All right, next up, guys, we're going to take a look at Tesla. As some of you know, Tesla beat expectations on their delivery numbers, so it came out the gate swinging on Monday, got all the way as high as 284.25, ended up finishing about 280, and this one's overextended as well. However, one thing with Tesla, when it decides to move, it decides to move. It doesn't matter if it's overvalued or not. It can continue to keep on coming. So I am looking to re-enter on this one, but I'm hoping for a pullback. I was patient. I went to get in Monday morning, and I think it was lucky because I didn't have enough. I had done a swing trade on it and cashed out on Friday of last week, and I went to buy, but my funds weren't fully settled, so I'm hoping for a tiny pullback here. I'll re-enter, then ride the wave, because I think that this one's going to 300 or above fairly soon. Okay, next up, guys, ZNOG, ticker symbol ZNOG, still a high of 15 cents, your low of 4.5 cents. We did bust through that 7-cent mark, so 4.5 cents is now your floor, and I think that I've been saying that the last couple times I've done videos of ZNOG. I think we have potential to get there. However, we are now in a Q3, so hopefully they'll have some news for us sooner rather than later regarding their license, because if not, this is just going to go a slow and easy little slope down to 4.5 cents and probably just bottom out there. But your first level of resistance currently is 7 cents, and then you're looking at about a little over 8.25, call it 8.5 cents from there. So this one has potential to make some moves. It just needs some type of information from the company and relevance again to make that move and have it start making its way back to the upside. IQST. So this one here, was actually very surprised. I checked my portfolio one day and I was up a decent amount. I was like, what's going on? I look at IQST's starting to move. So we hit 8 cents. We hit as high as about 14. I did the same thing here again, got rejected twice. So I'm really interested to see what happens here as far as can we get past that 15-cent mark and hold. And if we do, then your next level of resistance you're looking at is 19, then 23, 26, 30, and then 37 is the tip top of the fib level. This one here, they have high ambitions of trying to get listed to the NASDAQ. So in order to do that, that stock price needs to come up. So hopefully they'll release some articles and get some good things coming out about the company and get some attention to where we can get some momentum coming up and continue to move to the upside. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Hope everyone had a great 4th of July. Hope everybody's plays were working out for them. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.